from the vast savannas to the deep oceans. These animals display incredible family bonds that ensure the survival of their species.
Elephants are highly social animals that live in close-knit family groups called herds. These herds are typically matriarchal, meaning they are led by an older, experienced female known as the matriarch. The matriarch is responsible for guiding the group, making important decisions, and leading them to food and water sources. Elephants are known for their strong emotional bonds with one another. They show affection through physical contact, such as touching trunks, and they communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body language. When a member of the herd is in distress, others will often come to its aid, demonstrating a deep sense of empathy and care. Older females play a crucial role in the herd by protecting younger members, especially the calves. They teach them vital survival skills and offer guidance in navigating the environment. These strong familial connections help ensure the survival and well-being of the entire group.
Wolves are highly social animals that live in organised groups known as packs, typically consisting of 6 to 10 members. These packs are led by an alpha pair, the dominant male and female, who are usually the only ones to breed. The alpha pair plays a crucial role in leading the pack, making decisions about hunting and territory and ensuring the group's cohesion. In a wolf pack, family bonds are essential for survival. Members cooperate in hunting large prey like deer or elk, working together to bring down animals that would be difficult to hunt alone. Once the prey is caught, the pack shares the food, ensuring everyone, especially the young and weaker wolves, are fed. Wolves also work together to raise the pups. Both parents and other pack members help in feeding, guarding, and teaching the young. This cooperative parenting strengthens the bond among the pack members and ensures the survival of the offspring. Additionally, wolves fiercely defend their territory against intruders, protecting their family from potential threats. The close-knit structure of the pack, combined with cooperation in daily activities, highlights the strong familial ties that are central to the wolf's way of life.
Dolphins are highly intelligent and social marine mammals that live in groups called pods. These pods can range from a few individuals to several dozen, depending on the species and environment. The members of a pod form close bonds, working together in various aspects of their lives, such as hunting, communication, and care for the young. In hunting, dolphins use sophisticated techniques, such as herding fish into tight balls or creating mud rings to trap prey. This cooperation increases their chances of success in catching food. Dolphins are also known to share their food within the pod, reinforcing social ties. Protection is another key aspect of dolphin pods. When a member of the pod is injured or sick, other dolphins will stay close, guarding them from predators like sharks. They have been observed using coordinated movements to confuse or deter potential threats, showing a high level of teamwork and concern for one another's safety. Caring for the young or calves is a shared responsibility in dolphin pods. While the mother provides most of the care, other females, known as aunties, assist in looking after the calves, teaching them important skills and ensuring their well-being. This communal effort in raising the young ensures that calves grow up in a supportive and protected environment, which strengthens the bonds within the pod. These tight-knit social structures, based on collaboration and mutual support, make dolphins one of the best examples of animals with strong family bonds.
Lion prides are family-oriented social groups, typically consisting of related females, their offspring, and a few males. The females play a central role in maintaining the pride and raising the young. These lionesses often collaborate in hunting and caring for their cubs, emphasizing the strong familial ties within the pride. In a pride, females give birth around the same time and collectively care for the cubs. They share nursing duties, allowing cubs to suckle from any lactating female, not just their mother. This cooperative parenting ensures that all cubs are well nourished, even if one mother is temporarily unable to care for her young. Protection is another key aspect of pride life. Lionesses work together to defend the pride's territory from outside threats, such as other lions or predators. They also safeguard the cubs from dangers, including rival male lions who might attempt to kill them to take over the pride. By working as a team, the lionesses create a supportive environment for raising the cubs, where survival and the development of social skills are more likely. This collaboration within the pride fosters a strong sense of familial unity and cooperation that enhances the overall success of the group.
Gorillas live in social groups called troops, which are typically led by a dominant male known as a silverback, named for the streak of silver hair that develops on their back as they mature. The silverback is the protector and decision-maker of the group, responsible for the well-being of all members, especially the young. Gorilla troops are characterized by strong family bonds, with members displaying a high level of care and protection for one another. Mothers are deeply committed to their infants, nursing and nurturing them for several years. During this time, the mother forms a close bond with her offspring, teaching them important survival and social skills. The silverback plays a crucial role in safeguarding the troop, protecting it from predators and rival males. He also maintains harmony within the group, breaking up fights and ensuring the members' safety. If the troop is threatened, the silverback will take a defensive stance to protect the group. Beyond the mother's care and the silverback's leadership, other females and young gorillas often engage in playful and cooperative activities, strengthening the troop's social cohesion. The entire group works together to protect the young and support one another, emphasizing the gorilla's strong family bonds and collective sense of security and care.
Orangutans are known for their largely solitary lifestyle, but when it comes to raising their offspring, mothers form exceptionally strong and lasting bonds with their young. Orangutan mothers provide nearly all the care and protection for their offspring, and this close relationship is crucial for the young orangutan's survival and development. From birth, an orangutan mother carries, nurses, and protects her infant, ensuring it is fed and safe from predators. She teaches her young how to climb, find food, and navigate the dense forest canopy. This learning process takes years, with young orangutans staying with their mothers for around 6 to 8 years, one of the longest dependency periods of any mammal. During this time, the bond between mother and offspring is incredibly strong. The mother is the infant's only source of food, comfort, and protection, and she continually offers guidance in developing survival skills. Orangutan mothers are very attentive and patient, allowing their offspring to practice new behaviors while ensuring their safety. The mother-offspring relationship in orangutans is not only crucial for survival, but also for the emotional and social development of the young. Even after becoming independent, young orangutans may occasionally return to their mothers for comfort and support, highlighting the lasting nature of their bond. This deep connection between orangutan mothers and their young underscores the strong family ties that persist, despite the species' solitary habits.
Swans are iconic for their monogamous relationships, where a male and female form a lifelong bond. Once paired, they typically remain together through the seasons, mating, nesting, and raising their young, known as cygnets, in close collaboration. This strong partnership ensures that both parents are involved in every stage of their offspring's development. During the breeding season, swans work together to build a nest, often near water, and the female usually lays several eggs. Both parents share responsibilities. While the female incubates the eggs, the male stands guard to protect the nest from predators and other threats. Once the eggs hatch, the bond between the swan parents remains strong. They work together to care for and protect the cygnets, guiding them through the water, teaching them to find food, and shielding them from danger. The cygnets stay with their parents for several months, learning essential survival skills under their guidance. The long-term commitment and collaboration in parenting that swans demonstrate ensure the survival and safety of their young. This shared responsibility, coupled with their monogamous nature, highlights the deep and enduring family bonds within swan pairs. Their loyalty to each other and their young is a powerful example of strong familial unity in the animal kingdom.
Penguins are renowned for their strong family bonds and shared parenting responsibilities. Many species, such as emperor penguins and Adelie penguins, showcase remarkable cooperation between both parents, ensuring the survival of their offspring in often harsh environments. Once the female penguin lays her eggs, both parents take turns incubating them. For example, in emperor penguins, the male incubates the egg on his feet, keeping it warm under a special brood pouch during the frigid Antarctic winter, while the female goes off to forage for food. This period of incubation can last for months, with the male enduring extreme cold and fasting to protect the egg. When the chick hatches, both parents remain deeply involved in its care. They take turns guarding the chick and foraging for food, bringing back regurgitated fish to feed their young. This shared responsibility ensures that the chick receives enough warmth, protection, and nourishment during the vulnerable early stages of life. The close cooperation between penguin parents continues until the chick is old enough to fend for itself. This division of labor and strong partnership helps the chicks survive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth, highlighting the deep familial bond that penguins share as they work together to raise their young.
Cheetahs, while generally solitary animals, display strong family bonds, especially between a mother and her cubs. After giving birth, a cheetah mother devotes herself to raising her cubs, investing considerable time and energy in their care and development. This bond is crucial for the survival of the cubs, as cheetahs face numerous challenges from predators like lions, leopards, and hyenas. For the first few weeks of life, the mother keeps her cubs hidden in secluded areas to protect them from predators. She frequently moves them to new locations to avoid detection. During this period, the cubs rely entirely on their mother for protection and food. As the cubs grow older, the mother begins to teach them essential survival skills, particularly how to hunt. Cheetah mothers demonstrate stalking and chasing prey, allowing the cubs to observe and later practice these techniques. This training is vital for the cubs to become proficient hunters once they are independent. The cubs often engage in playful hunting games, which helps them develop the speed and agility that cheetahs are known for. The bond between the mother and cubs lasts until the cubs are about 18 to 24 months old, at which point they are ready to leave and hunt on their own. Even after they separate from their mother, sibling groups often stay together for a while, continuing to hone their hunting skills as a unit. The strong maternal bond and the mother's dedicated effort in teaching her cubs ensure that they are well equipped for life in the wild, showcasing the importance of family ties in the cheetah's life cycle. Wildebeests, also known as gnus, are famous for their dramatic annual migrations across the African savanna, often traveling in herds that number in the thousands. These large social groups are composed of family units and play a critical role in the survival of the species, particularly the young. During migration, wildebeests band together in these vast herds as a strategy for protection. Safety in numbers helps reduce the risk of predation from lions, hyenas, and other predators that target young or weak individuals. The close proximity of adults offers additional protection for the calves, which are particularly vulnerable during the migration. Family groups within the herd maintain close bonds, with mothers staying by their calves' sides, ensuring they keep up with the herd during the long journey. Calves are able to walk and run soon after birth, allowing them to stay close to their mothers, who provide constant care and guidance. The herd's collective movement also helps wildebeests find better grazing grounds and water sources as they migrate in search of food and water. By moving together in such large numbers, they increase their chances of survival, as the herd's size confuses predators and makes it more difficult for them to single out individuals. These strong familial ties and the herd's collective efforts in protecting and guiding their young underscore the importance of social cohesion in wildebeest survival, particularly during their challenging migrations.